Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the navigation clicks or sound when you're moving on your Xbox Series X. So every time you move on the screen here, you're going to hear a small click. Now to turn this off, we want to go to Settings and then go to General, go to the right and go to Volume and Audio Output. Then go to the right and go to Advanced Additional Options. Then scroll on down and we have one setting under here that we want to make sure is checkmarked. This is mute navigation sound. So if you go ahead and check mark this, move around your screen, you will no longer hear that. Then also the option below that is mute notification sound. So if you get a pop-up notification on your Xbox Series X, you won't hear that either, but you will still see the notification pop up on your screen. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.